Hello everyone, it's me again, Russell. So for today's video, I will teach you how to download subtitles for your movie. From the two previous uploaded videos on my channel, I teach you how to download free movies and I teach you how to download and install uTorrent software. So again, for this video, I will teach you how to download subtitles for your movies. So let's start working. Open up your browser and search for yifisubtitles.com. And this is the homepage of the website. So just ignore this, ladies, and focus on the search bar. So on the search bar, type the movie title that you want to search or the movie that you want to have a subtitle. So for me, I want to search for the subtitle for Transformers The Last Night from the year 2017. So I suggest that please type the year it is released on theaters because there are movies that maybe are just like the same on the movie that you want to search. So Transformers. So here it is. I'll just left click this one, Transformers The Last Night from the year 2017. Left click it and let's wait. So here is the movie poster. Let's scroll it down. And as you could see, the website is offering a lots of language, Arabic, Brazilian Portuguese, Bulgarian, Chinese, Croatian, Danish, Dutch, English, and of course, we will be downloading the English language because it is the universal language used all over the world. And as you can see beside the flag of every language, there's a number. Its color is green and red. Those numbers are the ratings of the subtitles. That means the green one means that it has a positive feedback, and the red ones, that means that it has a negative feedback. So let's scroll it down and let's go to the English language. On the English language, this subtitle has 54 good feedbacks. So we'll be downloading that one because it has a feedback. It has a good feedback. So here on the right part of your monitor, there's a download link. Just left click it. After that, press this one and the subtitle will be downloaded. So here it is. Let's left click it and the subtitle is this one, of course. There's a single file on that folder. And I won't be playing the movie, but I will teach you how to put the subtitle on that movie. I won't play the movie because for copyright complaint on YouTube, it might be reported. So I'll just enter it for a quick preview. So this is the movie Transformers The Last Night. I'll pause it. All you have to do is drag and drop this one on the movie. If you are playing VLC or other movie players or media players, it's working. Just drag and drop this one. And it says here subtitle is added to the track. So it is working. I won't play this because of copyright content on YouTube. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.